So this is the Kabob House in Virginia, guys. We're about to eat some, what's this, Mediterranean food?
Yeah.
Afghan, oh, see that? See that? Let's go eat. Woo! Hey guys, welcome to another Patty the Cook. Definitely not a chef. I just enjoy cooking. So we are here in Virginia and we are trying, well, I am trying a different type of food. So, you know, I'm a food. If anybody know me, I'm definitely a foodie. And we're about to try some Afghan food. So this is my first time tasting some Afghan food, okay? So we're here at the famous Kabob House Food Corner in Virginia. All right, so let's go and check out the food and rate it. Let's go. All right, so I guess this is an Afghan drink, mint flavor yogurt drink. I like yogurt, but the mint I don't know about. So let me just taste this and see what we think.
They had the mask to match the outfit. Oh, I was wasted that entire day. Because you go back to these trucks and it's like non-stop alcohol. Yeah. It's a moving bar. It's a bar. I'm just like, they just go and you go. Because you gotta,
I don't like this drink. I really don't like this drink. So far this is a fail.
What do you call it?
See this drink right here?
A cool down zone. Okay.
Definite fail.
Just in case you don't
Food is coming up. So we'll try the food soon.
As much as you could drink and eat.
Hey guys, so the food is here.
Probably.
So beef, chicken, and lamb. Which one is the lamb, Miles? This one look like the lamb.
No, this looks like beef.
Beef? Okay. So let's taste this beautiful food. We got the rice over here. That one is beef? Oh, you like it?
Yeah. Nice.
Everything nice to you. Okay. Oh yeah, I like your food. Good?
Amazing.
Awesome.
It's fun.
Oh, that's salmon? Oh, wow, that looks good.
And that's none?
So let's taste this bad boy.
So you eat the meat.
All right, so let's try. Oh, this is the beef right here. That's the beef right here, right?
He was going. At first he was like, no.
This is lamb.
Come on, is that you or
This one?
And he smelled like fucking.
So this is a lamb that we're gonna taste.
Yeah, no. This is too small, I think. Cats are bullies.
Not bad.
She feeds on her straight hand.
Lamb is really good.
Tell her what happens to Lucy when
really
she
good.
eats my food. No. Lucy just like...
Taste the beef right now. Beef.
She'll sleep on wherever she's paper.
Like, this is the
And
best.
a pile of paper she just ate and she just
Oh, I was like, oh my God, is she okay?
Seasoning is definitely different.
knocks out like a human.
Taste some of this rice.
Dang.
This is what, falafel?
Really good. Right.
Wow.
The rice is lovely.
The rice is very different, which is minty, right? It's kind of minty in there, Miles?
Yeah, that's something. Yeah.
The rice is really, really good. Very flavorful. Try that chicken right
I
here.
adopted her.
Chicken.
Well, you can adopt me too when I come to visit.
Of course. All kinds of beans. So good.
Because I don't really remember that much, like...
You know what they're using a lot? You know what they use a lot in Afghan food? They use a lot of mint. And it's good. I like the mint flavor. Or the mint taste.
The food is very tasty.
It's very good.
Yeah. The chickpeas are really
This
good.
is what they eat in the Middle East. Our driver.
Everything is really good, guys.
that we got.
So Afghan food, this is the first time tasting Afghan food. Would I get it again?
Yeah, yeah. I would
Definitely.
agree.
I really, really like it.
Greek food is really nice too.
Amazing. So the lamb, the beef, the chicken,
What's your favorite
the rice.
of the meats?
Beautiful. It's just good.
I'll have to see it again.
So the store
It's so good.
in Virginia,
I
right,
know it's really good.
is really amazing. Definitely a recommendation. And y'all don't blame me if y'all don't like it, okay? I'll see you next time. I'm Patty the Cook.